Hello everyone, my name is Naveen Verma. This lecture is about basic command in Linux. In this lecture, I will cover few commands that is commonly used in Linux. WC command, touch command, cat command, tech command, pwd command. First of all, I will start with WC command. This command is used to count the number of words, characters, lines in a text file or any command output. This command is using to count how many lines, how many words, how many characters present in a file, in a command output. The syntax of WC command is WC option file name. Here option is mentioned for attributes. In Linux, there are various attributes using with WC command. Okay, I will take an example on my Linux machine. This is my Linux machine. Here I will run command WC hyphen file name. My file name is etc password. This is output 38661914 etc password. 38 it will line in file, 66 word, 1914 stand for characters, and etc password, this is file name. Okay, I will check. I will using attributes WC hyphen L etc password. There are 38 lines. This is file name etc password. Then I will check how many words present in Linux in etc password directory. There are 66 words present in etc password file. Then I will check for characters etc password. There are 1114 characters present in etc password file. Okay, now next command is cat command. Cat command is frequently used in Linux. It is used to read the content of any file. It helps to create, view, concatenation of files. The syntax of cat command is cat option file names. Options here option mentioned for attributes. So cat command we can read and go through any text files. Okay, I will take an example. Cat etc password. Here I will run the command cat etc password. This is file content. Here we can run. We can use various attributes with this cat command. Cat hyphen n etc password. Here numbering is mentioned with the help of n command, n attribute. Numbering is mentioned with each line. There are 38 lines. First in last WC command we will check. There are 38 lines in etc password file. Through cat command we can read two files for the same time. Cat etc password cat etc group. Here the output. This is till here. I'll run. I read the content. This is etc password file content. From here, this is etc group content. Okay. Now next command is tag command. This command is used to concatenate and print the file in reverse format. This command is act as similarly as cat command, but in this command we can reverse the output of file. The syntax of tag command is tag option file names. Okay, I will take the example. Tag tag etc password. Now we can see now file content is in reverse format. In C, the line start with Naveen here on top, but when we can see output of cat command, cat etc password, then line start with Naveen is lost. Okay. Now next command is touch command. It is used to create a file without any content. This command is used to create an empty file. The syntax of touch command is touch file name. Okay, I will take the example. Touch. We can create an empty file. Touch root desktop test file. Okay, we can read the file content. The cat command, cat -etc root desktop test. Here command is execute, then file is empty, so they are unable to file is empty. Through touch command we can create hidden files. Touch with the help of dot we can create hidden file. Test with the help of touch command, touch dot, we can create hidden files. There are various attributes with touch command. We can go through on main page of touch command. There are various options: -a, -c, -d, -f, -h, -m, -r. Through these attributes we can use as per our requirement. Now next command is pwd command. Pwd command, as the name indicate, pwd, print working directory. It prints the path of current working directory. It is used to check current working directory. Let's see, take example. Okay, we will move in any file, any folder, in a folder in my Linux server. cd where message cd audit. Okay, then we'll check the where we are working. Then we'll run the command pwd. It prints the complete path. First of all, I will go where, then log, then audit. My present working directory is where log audit. Okay, we can go main page of pwd. As the name indicate, print name current of working directory. They have attributes -l -p. That's all. Okay, thank you.